Hey, MikeyD here, your friendly neighborhood Goomba Gourmet. Welcome to my PA kitchen once again, where we cook, we eat, we drink a little vino, and everything else in life that stresses us out, like everything going on in this world today. Forget about it. Let me have a little bit of this and I'll tell you what we're doing. Okay, so I thought I'd cook something that's pretty simple, tasty. This should be something we can do really quick. You don't have to spend a lot of time listening to me. You can just, because sometimes I've got a blabbermouth. Okay.
You are a blabbermouth!
Anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to make some smothered pork chops. How about that? Really simple. We're going to use some vegetables. We got a couple of different cheeses. I've got a little bit of, let's go right through it. Okay, boneless sirloin pork chops here. Okay, I've got 6 of them. I've got some grated provolone. I've got some grated mozzarella cheese. And we've got some chicken broth or chicken stock, whichever you want to use. I got a little bit of white wine, olive oil. I've got some light cream. We've got some green and red peppers and orange or whatever you want to use. They're peppers, whichever ones you like. Maybe yellow you like to put in there, a little yellow. Yellow's always nice, so put some yellow, whatever you want. We've got some sliced up mushrooms, onions. I've got the red onion, and I've got a little yellow onion. You want to use a Vidalia, whatever you want to use, you use it. Put it in, whatever you like, you do, okay? This is just, how I do it, a little base, and you kind of experiment and do your own thing. All right, now we got some seasonings here, real simple. We've got some salt. I've got some adobo seasoning. I've got some onion powder, some garlic powder, and black pepper. And of course, my wine. Okay, the olive oil, I've already got 2 pans here going. Okay, I see a little smoke pouring off there, so maybe I'll lower that a little bit. Okay, so I've already got that going. What we're gonna do is we're gonna throw these pork chops in the cast iron skillet. We're gonna sear those up. In the other pan, I'm gonna get all the vegetables going. So it's gonna be real simple, hopefully real quick, and that's about it. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so I've got 2 pans set up. One I'm going to use for the vegetables and one I'm going to use for the pork cutlets. All right, so let's get the vegetables started. Come on over here, let's take a look. Let's throw in the onion. Hope I have enough room in this pan. I don't have a lot up here. This isn't like back at home on Long Island. So I gotta use what I got. I didn't think I'd be doing some videos up here. Well, I said maybe I'll do 1 or 2, but figured I'd be back on Long Island by now and be cooking there. But I'm up here, so making the best of it. And I don't have my son. The other thing I don't like about this electric stove is I don't have 2 big burners to work with. I only have 1 big one, and the rest are small. What are you going to do? And I do like my gas stovetop at home. But anyway, we make do, right? So my son Brandon, who usually does my filming and does all the editing, because sometimes I do it myself on a tripod and send him the clips, and he does. I'm going to throw in the peppers now, okay? And he does all that. He finishes it up and posts them on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, MikeyD Goomba Gourmet. Okay, but I have my helper Aiden today, which is my son's fiance's older son, and he offered to do some filming for me. So if you looked at one of the last videos we did up here, I did the little one with all the kids. We did with Aiden, we did with Maddie, and we did with Brendan. So we did that little thing with the pancakes, and I made Aiden his steak wrap. Right? That was good, wasn't it? Yeah, you like that steak wrap. Okay, look at that.
Disgusting!
What do you mean, disgusting? Okay, let's get the mushrooms in there. Okay. We're just going to let this saute a little bit, okay? Okay. So, yes, we did that video. So, if you saw Aiden in there, which if you saw it, you would have seen Aiden. And that's who's behind the camera right now. He's my cameraman for the night. So if this doesn't come out so good, oh boy, you know what I'm saying? Forget about it. Right, Aiden?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. All right. So here's what we got. Next, we're gonna do. What are we doing? Let's throw in the pork chops. We got a little sizzle going on. Hope I can fit all these in there. Oh, little sizzle. Look at that. You like the sizzle? Well, get a little puff to throw these all in there. A little sizzle action. All right, so we don't want to cook these all the way yet. Okay? Because those vegetables are going to take a little while. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to lower this down. Okay? We got a little sear. All right. Okay, that's it for now. We'll be right back. I don't have a top for this, and I want to saute this, but I want to get moisture in there because I want these vegetables to soften up quick. So I'm going to use this. Maybe I should have used that pan, but I really like this copper pan. Things don't stick, it's really great. So anyway, let's put a top on that. Okay, this is what I'm going to use. But before I do that, let's season a little bit. Back to that pepper we used on the pork chops. Let's throw some pepper in there. Maybe a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of salt. Right, gotta watch that blood pressure. A little more adobo. I got a little on the pork chops already because I pre-seasoned the pork chops with a little salt, a little pepper, and some adobo. Okay, onion powder. Garlic powder. Notice I didn't saute my pork chops with garlic. I could have, and you could too, but I was using the garlic powder, so I said, I don't need to put garlic in here. All right, so now let's just mix this up a little bit. All right, this is coming out nice, just the way we want it. Okay, it's already starting to get nice and softened up. Okay, I don't like my vegetables really hard and crispy, not for something like this. Not the way it's supposed to be. All right, let's cover that up. Okay, now notice we got the pork chops cooking up. I lowered them a little bit. Okay, just turn them. Notice they're not, cooked all the way through yet because we got more to do. So cook them slow to bring this up a little bit. All right, real simple stuff here. None of this is rocket science. Okay. Get in there. Bad porky, get in there. Okay. All right. That's it. We'll be right back. Okay, so what's next? I happen to have a little bit of white wine in the house. Yeah, right here. I'm really a red wine drinker, but I use white wine sometimes for, I cook it. So, and other people that may come up, what are you laughing? He's laughing over there. What's he laughing about? You think this is funny? Funny how?
Just, how you tell a story. What?
No, I don't know. You said it. How do I know? You said I'm funny. How do...
Forget about it. Okay, anyway, so, this kid's easy to crack up. Anyway, let's put that white wine in. All right, come over here. Come over here, Stugatz. Come here. Come here. All right, put that white wine in. Look at that. Let's let that soak in. That's a Chardonnay. All right? Okay, come here. I'm going to show you something else. Stugatz, come here. Come here. All right. Hey, look at that. Look how that's coming. Is that not nice? smells nice. Okay. All right. Let's cover that back up. All right. All right. So what I can do now, all right, is take a little bit of the chicken broth, chicken stock, whatever you like to use. Okay, let's set that aside. Okay, let's turn this up. Okay, so maybe you've got 3/4 of a cup. Okay, you might use more vegetables, you might use less. You might only make 2 pork chops. You don't need all this, right? If you want, you can, that's fine. All right, let's let that cook. Put this back. Have a drink. And we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Just a little disclaimer. I just want to stress that there were no teenagers harmed in the making of this video. Okay? Got that?
Just keep your mouth shut.
Right, Aiden? That's a good kid. Okay, so on to the next step. Come here, I want to show you guys. So we're about pretty much there. All right, I already cut a little piece off. You see that? See that on the inside? Nice, right? Okay, that's the way I want it. So now I'm going to turn this down a little bit. Okay, I'm going to get this onto medium. Okay. Now, onto the dangerous part. Okay. I'm going to take this. Okay, and watch what. I'll try to do this way. I don't know why, but here we go. Okay. All right. You know what? Not too bad. Not too bad. Hey, not too shabby. Okay. I did that kind of holding that lefty. All right. Not bad. Ambidextrous. Ambidextrous. Amber. It's like Worcestershire. Right? All right. So look what we got here. All right. What do we do now? Okay, guys. 1/3 of a cup of that light cream. Yep. Nice, nice, nice. This is gonna make a nice dinner, Hyde. Mm-hmm. Right? Mm-hmm. Think we'll have some left over for the deer?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
I think they'll like
You
it.
think they'll like this?
It's all healthy.
They wheat.
Apples too.
Apples too? Yeah, right. I give them gourmet apples. All right, look what we got here. Oh my. Wow. That smells incredible. All right, next step. You ready for this? Okay. I'm going to shut this so it's all a shut off for now, hey? All right, I got some of that shredded provolone. And I got more of the shredded mozzarella. The mutz. If you want to use the fresher mutz, use the fresher mutz. Whatever you want to do. Alright, I'm a little limited up here these days. You guys see what it's like just to get this stuff. Okay, it's not easy. Alright. Guys, next step. We're going to take this. I've got this on broil. Hey, MikeyD in action. And then we hope we don't burn ourselves and drop this or whatever, because that would be a disaster. And it's all gone. Just like that. Alright, so I'm going to take this. Aiden, just follow me with the pan here. Okay, we're going to take this. And then we go in there. Okay? That's it. Let's close this up. A little bit of that grape juice. Be right back. Gotta show you something. Come over here. How's that look? Huh? How's that look? Alright. That's all we need. Let's get that back up here. Okay, let's close this up. What do you think, Aiden?
Delicious.
Huh? Does it look good? Mm-hmm. Alright. I gotta find a piece of meat in there. Oh yeah. Here we go. Here we go. I think I got some meat there. Okay. Alright. Oh, yeah. Well, let's do the taste test. Come on. Okay, it's going to be real simple. I told you, real easy, right? Was that not simple? Was that not easy? Easy peasy, baby. Okay? Come on, anybody can do this. Forget about it. All right, let's cut into this now. We got a little bit of, and we got to get a little bit of everything, right? Oh, look at that. Freaking perfect. All right. All right, let's take all the vegetables. This is very hot, you know. Okay. We got like a fire extinguisher by to put it up. Oh, look at all that. Oh my goodness. Man, I need that mushroom. I need the mushroom. Look at that. I need the mushroom. Okay, ready? Mm. Oh my God. Oh my God. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Well, you guys are gonna love this. It's that simple. And it was a simple, easy dish. Okay? Pans do all the work. Right? Just gotta chop up the stuff, throw it in, you do a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and forget about it. No, don't forget about it. You gotta watch it. Okay. Anyway, thank you, Aiden, for coming by and doing this for me. I really appreciate it. I think you did a great job. We'll find out. Hopefully you did. All right, we're gonna send these clips to Brandon. He's gonna do all the editing, probably throw in his little things that he does here and there. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I'm still having fun with this. It's a crazy time that we're going through, this whole shutdown and everything else. You know, but it's giving me a little bit more time to cook. Something I really do love and enjoy. And I hope you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, MikeyD Gourmet. Watch all my videos. What else you got to do these days? You're sitting around, watch some videos and cook. Look at this. I don't know. I gotta go do something. I can't eat that stuff. Nutrisystem and this and that. Look, I like to cook. So whatever. I'll figure it out. But right now, I thank you for coming into my kitchen up in PA. Okay, soon I'll be down on Long Island, back in my other kitchen, back with my wife and Brandon, and you know, we'll cook again. Thank you for coming into my PA kitchen, where we cook, we eat, we drink a little vino or whatever you want, and everything else in life that stresses us out. What do?
Forget about
We
it.
forget about it!